Bullish Axie limitlessness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $35.83 and $67.68 by 2030. Market investigators accept Axie could reach $27.87 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.37. Axie endlessness presentation. Axie endlessness is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Notwithstanding, what makes Axie vastness special is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie vastness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in notoriety. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a standard premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet reproduction game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie endlessness. Axie boundlessness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by everyday dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including seagoing, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them truly alterable and regularly exceptional and remarkable. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, interesting, very uncommon, and unbelievable. As the local administration badge of the stage, Axie holders partake in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be circulated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the rearing of youthful Axies. Axie limitlessness is as of now worth $7.96 USD. Axie has moved 1.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $34,273,202. Axie limitlessness is as of now positioned 55 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $901,310,094 USD. While there are no insurers throughout everyday life or in digital money contributing, all signs highlight enormous things ahead for Axie vastness. On the off chance that you are searching for a venture with areas of strength for an extraordinary potential, then, at that point, Axie limitlessness ought to be on your radar. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Axie limitlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2023. Axie vastness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $11.94. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $11.15 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $9.55. Axie vastness value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Axie limitlessness Axie cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $19.91. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $15.92 and a typical exchanging cost of $17.52. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $27.87 and Axie might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $25.48 and a low of $23.89 in 2025. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Axie boundlessness effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $35.83, with a base cost of $31.85 and a typical cost of $33.44. Axie vastness value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $41.40 by 2027, with a base cost of $39.81 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a greatest value worth of $43.79. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $49.37. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $51.75. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $47.77. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $55.73 and a yearly cost close above $59.72 in 2029. Axie endlessness value forecast 2030. By 2030, Axie boundlessness will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $63.70 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $67.68, averaging out at $65.29. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Axie cost in 2031 is projected to be $78.03 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $74.84. And so what does the future hold for Axie boundlessness? The reality of the situation will surface eventually. However, on the off chance that the past is any marker, we can anticipate extraordinary things from this promising task. Make certain to watch out for Axie as it proceeds with its rising to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet.